Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to do a video on this 04 Mustang that I haven't sold yet. If you've been on this channel before, you know that I have this 04 GT Mustang, and so I never have sold it. It's been sitting right here in this spot probably for about a year now. So the battery's completely flatlined. So I got this this battery pack that I need to jump it and get it started, see if it'll still even run. So what I got was this it's a PROSERIES DSR portable battery pack, so you can jump a car if it's dead. So we're going to go ahead and try that. I'm going to uncover this Mustang and see if it'll start a car that has been sitting for over a year, and the battery is just completely flat. So it'll be a good test for this thing. Anyway, there it is, uncovered. Haven't seen it in almost a year. It's been over here at my son-in-law's. Stored it over at my son-in-law's because he had room in his garage, so it's been here ever since. Anyway, I'm gonna go get the key because my son-in-law, I only have one key to this car, so my son-in-law has a key, so I'm gonna go get the key. We're gonna lift up the hood and we're gonna see if this thing actually works. So let's find out. Okay, I got the key, and so I'm going to open up the door and get the hood popped, and let's see if we can get this thing running. Yeah, and it's completely flat. There's no lights coming on the dash, no headlights. So it's just completely flat. So it's going to be a big test. I mean, it's going to be a good test for this battery pack. I'm going to pop the hood, change camera locations, put it on the engine, and we'll see if this thing starts. Okay, I'm going to get this hood open, and we're going to see if that battery pack is going to get this car started. Engine looks pretty clean. Okay, let's get this battery pack. The big test. Black goes on ground and red goes on positive. These cables, they just wind around here like this, and then you stick the cables down in there so it just stays nice and compact so you can carry it around easy. So I'm going to just set this thing on the ground when I do it so it doesn't vibrate and fall into the engine compartment. And then it's got a switch here. I just got to turn it on 12 volt, and we should be able to start that car. We'll see what happens. Red on positive. Okay, here goes the big test. I'm going to switch this switch to 12 volt and we'll see what happens. That's a successful test. This car's been sitting for a year, and the battery is just completely flatlined, so I'm impressed. Now I'm going to see if it stays running when I take the cable off. Yep. Awesome. Let it kind of warm up and run for a little while, and then probably give it a couple revs, and then I'm going to shut it off. The reason it's stored here at my son-in-law's is because I don't have enough room at my house right now to keep another car, so we're getting ready to sell a couple cars, and then I'll probably bring it back home, and we'll do some more videos with this Mustang. It's not bad to have one of these things around, just in case you have a vehicle that's dead and you need to start it, and you can just, it's compact, you can just throw it in your trunk and take it out wherever the vehicle's dead and start her right up. Okay, let's do a couple revs just to listen to those pipes. Okay, that's enough of that. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off and get ready to get it covered back up for now. And this is Mustang. I was going to sell it, but I couldn't get what I wanted for it, so I decided, well, I'll just keep it. So that's what I'm doing, keeping it. Just a short little video I wanted to do on that battery pack, and thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Okay.
See ya. Car's covered. Catch you on the next video.